Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the video. My name's Courtney, and I teach you how to make money online with different apps and websites that I use every single day to make an income. If you're interested in content like that, please subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified of new videos. Today, we're going over Prizerebel. This was the first site that I started. Make sure you subscribe because I have a whole content calendar and scheduled videos coming out this month. So make sure you don't miss out on that. So today we're going to talk about Prizerebel. It says earn extra points, offer wall bonus. The link to sign up for this will be in the description. So after you watch this video, make sure you go and you click the link in the description to sign up and get a bonus. And make sure you implement everything I'm talking about in this video to make money every single day. So you can earn by sharing your link, by doing surveys, by doing offer walls, by watching videos. I'm going to show you the offer walls. I use this site every single day, which I'll show you my earnings history. I always either go to videos or free. I used to come on here and do 5 your surveys a day, make my $5 and go. Okay. If you watch back in my older videos, I show you tutorials on how to do that. So I always go up here and I click easiest. It'll filter it for you. There's Ascend, there's AT Studios, Revenue Universe, InBrain, AdGate, Ludably, Toro X. It used to be Toro something Toro, but they changed the name. I have 242 points. I'll show you the rewards. I always cash out for PayPal. You can do PayPal, you can do Walmart, you can do Chipotle, you can do Visa gift cards. You could do MasterCard, you can do Dunkin' Donuts. Any of these, they just keep going in all kinds of denominations. So you could start saving up for Christmas and pay for your Christmas and Amazon gift cards by using just this site. So let me show you my rewards history. I cashed out $5 on March 17th. Last year I redeemed $68.29. This year I've only redeemed $10.26. My current points is $2.42. Every 100 points is $1. Points earned today 46. Points earned yesterday 11 cents. Points earned this month 78 cents. Points earned this year $11.05. Lifetime points $666.86. Rewards claimed 116, 119 referrals, and points today from referrals is 0. You can invite people with your referral code, just like I'm doing, do a video every single day. I've gotten 60 clicks, and the last official referral, because I'm getting all these clicks, was 3/10, so March 10th. But they didn't do anything. They just signed up and then they didn't do anything. So what you're going to do is you're going to sign up and you're going to come to this homepage. I have my reward goal set right here. You're going to go to your surveys. Click it. Okay. 78 points for a daily survey. So you're going to take 78 and divide it by 500. That's how many surveys you're going to have to do. And if you get disqualified from surveys, make sure you do some offers in the middle of that. I always do offers so that I don't get bored, or I'll take a break and let videos run. With Ascend Media, I let the I go to offer walls. I go to Ascend Media. I go to videos, and I always do, or you can go to featured, and I always go to the food. The food gives you high recipes, gives you high points, and I literally just let this run all day, and then I cash out at the end of the day. I think you can cash out 3 times in 24 hours. So, I do that. I also go to AdGate and do some of their offers, their lower ticket offers, just so that I don't get bored. I go to all offers. I go down here and I decide which ones I want to do. Like if you want to sign up for stars, $3 a month for 3 months, you get $5.50 back for this. Okay. Um, so it's almost 2 months free. I also go to Revenue Universe and I do the same thing. I go down instead of most popular, I go to free. So I know it's not going to charge me anything. If you sign up for the men's health newsletter, you get 33 cents. If you sign up for a to get more information on narcolepsy, it's 40 cents. If your loved one suffers with insomnia, that's another 28 cents. Recipes, 43 cents. Chronic campaign, 30 cents. Healthy habits, 20 cents. If you want to sign up for a money card, they'll give you 64 cents. Sign up for Rakuten, 17 cents. Some of these offers do not test it for genetic COPD, 25 cents. Some of these offers don't credit, and that's just the luck of the draw. They just don't. As you see here, I've gotten 2,576 points from that. I do come in and do offers, like I said, in between surveys and videos. So if you are interested in doing this, please click the link in my bio, sign up with this site, get a bonus, and then use this site every day and start a YouTube channel. What I want you to do is start a YouTube channel, record your screen. I'm using Zoom to do this. Okay, it's completely free. Do a video every single day teaching people how to make money. And essentially, it's affiliate marketing because you're sharing how to do something. People want to learn how to do that too. It's 2024. When you share your link, you get a bonus, they get a bonus. It's a win-win. Okay. So get your YouTube channel started and post a video every single day. Or you could do like me and schedule out your content. Like pick one day and batch your content and make several videos and then go to YouTube and schedule them out. I also use TubeBuddy. I'll be doing a video on that here in my content creation shortly. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. Like, share, comment. Make sure you're subscribed, hit the bell notification. If you have any questions, please drop them below and I will answer them. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope you join me tomorrow for another video and stay tuned for what's in store. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.